Okay, good day. So for today, I was assigned to report about one of the case study, which is grave misconduct. So the title of the case is GR number 146053, and these are the parties involved. We have the petitioner, Joscoro F. Vaccine, while the respondent is Eduardo O. Wahiman. So the nature of this case is it is about the petition for review on certiorari petitioner Joscoro F. Vaccine questions the decision dated August 23, 2000 of the First Division of the Court of Appeals in CA GRSP number 51900, which affirmed resolution number 980521. It is dated by March 11, 1998, and resolution number 990273 dated January 28, 1999. So both issued by the Civil Service Commission dismissing the petitioner for grave misconduct. So the facts of the case is the petitioner is a public school teacher of Pandan Elementary School. It is in Pandan, Mambahaw, Camiguin Province. So respondent Eduardo O. Wahiman is the father of AAA. AAA, that's the name of the students involved in this case, an elementary school student of the petitioner. So the facts of the case, AAA or the students claim that on August 16, 1995, petitioner asked her to be at his office to do an errand. Once inside, she saw him get a folder from one of the cartons in the floor near his table and place it on his table. He then asked her to come closer, and when she did, held her hand, then touched and fondled her breast. She stated that he fondled her breast 5 times and that she felt afraid. A classmate of hers, one Vincent B. Sorabas, claiming to have witnessed the incident, testified that the fondling incident did happen just as AAA related it. So the petitioner was charged with misconduct in a formal charge dated February 12, 1996 by Regional Director Vivencio N. Muego Jr. of the CSC. So in his defense, petitioner claimed that the touching incident happened by accident just as he was handling student or the AAA a lesson book. He further stated that the incident happened in about 2 or 3 seconds and that girl left his office without any complaint. So the issue here in this case, the petitioner now raises the following issues. So whether or not the petitioner could be guilty of acts of sexual harassment, grave misconduct, which was different from or an offense and not alleged in the formal change filed against him at the inception of administration. Okay, assuming petitioner was guilty of disgraceful and immoral conduct and misconduct as charged by complainant, whether or not the penalty of dismissal from the service imposed by the Civil Service Commission and affirmed by the Court of Appeals is in accord with the Rule 14, Section 23 of the Omnibus Civil Service Rules and applicable rulings. So whether or not the charge of misconduct, a lesser offense, includes the offense of grave misconduct, a greater offense. So the decision here in this case, the CA determined that the issue revolved around petitioner's right to due process and based on its finding that petitioner had the opportunity to be heard, found that there was no violation of that right. The CA ruled that even if petitioner was formally charged with disgraceful and immoral conduct and misconduct, the CSC found that the allegations and evidence sufficiently proved petitioner's guilt of grave misconducts, and it is punishable by dismissal from the service.